I want to pop in there what you're currently doing. Pop in the comments what you're currently doing, what kind of like nutrition guidelines you've set upon yourself, what you stick to. At the end of the day, he knew that protein was important, so we were always eating a high protein diet, and we always would have it sandwiched with other things, whether it was bread or pasta or buns and hoagies and potatoes and mashed potatoes and stuff like that. Obviously you learn, especially in the field that I'm in, all the different types of nutrition of the different types of foods and what it does for your body. So therefore, a good foundational way to start, taking a list of protein, taking a list of carbohydrates, taking a list of vegetables, a list of seasonings, sauces, and drink. And I put together lists for all my clients of all the best top food to eat, to get that clear mind, to get everything firing the right way. Because when you got the best list and you got all of these things at your access, you can't not perform at a